Hello friends, I am Ankit and welcome to my channel. I am here with my weekly predictions and analysis for Nasdaq 100 and Dow Jones. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe and comment friends. If you watched my last weekly video and in fact in the daily videos I have told several times, crossing 35,123 Dow Jones will head towards 35,180 and 35,240 levels. It did achieve this in the last day of the week on the Friday, and for Tech 100 I had shared 15,120 will definitely provide a strong resistance, though it did pass by, but 15,120 still remained intact and Tech 100 closed at 15,100 levels while Dow Jones closed at 35,200 levels. Now for the week, what lies ahead? Let's see. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and comment friends. This is my motivation to come up with better analysis. Also, you can join. If you have any queries, you can put in the comment box. If you have any trade queries, if you think I can be of help, don't forget to ping me on Telegram channel. The link of my Telegram channels and my Telegram ID is mentioned in the description. So don't forget to reach out to me. Now let's have a look at how is the week looks. Now look at the weekly chart for Tech 100. See, consistently higher highs, higher lows, but at the same time I can see that it is still, let me try to be little specific on this, because this is going to be important. If you look at this, the higher highs achieved at 15,200 level. This was also told that 15,180 it will achieve after 15,120. If you watched my video that last week, I had said 15,180 is the next target, and after that 15,375 is something we could expect. But at the same time, see, higher lows and lower highs, it is indicative that if it has to break this channel at 15,180 and 15,120, if it is able to do so, then only we can expect it to rise further. So it is narrowing triangle from here, but it is on the upward sloping upwards. So possibly once again 15,200 to below 15,000 is something we can expect, and we could expect 14,950 levels, somewhere around 14,950 levels, and at the same time 15,200 plus levels also could be expected. This is on the weekly charts, but breaking above 15,200 you can definitely expect it to rise, or I will say breaking above 15,210 you can definitely expect it to rise sharply. And at the same time 14,900 should provide 950 should provide a good support for it to break or down. Now look at the daily chart. Now daily chart here, if you see the high, it saw 183, and this was the high which I had said that after 15,120 we will see 15,180. It did achieve this high and the lower low it has formed, but closed the day at par. So see, this is getting support here at 15,100 level. It is getting resistance here at 15,180 and also 15,120, which is providing it a greater resistance for any upward move. So till the time it is below 15,120, I will expect it to head towards. Now in the coming days we could see 1500 and then 14,950, close to 14,950. After that, sky is the limit. So this is what we could expect on the upside. 15,210 should provide it a good resistance. So the good trading range for the week, it appears, is going to be 14,950 to 15,210 levels. But at the same time, one thing I would like to show here is, see, this this monthly candle has taken a shape, and it is a third green consecutive candle before a little small red candle. So see the bigger body, and you can see the rise here was somewhere from 13,700 levels to 14,600 levels. So almost 900 points we have seen it rising. Rather, I'll take it 1,000 points, and the previous month we saw it from 14,500 to 15,180 levels, 150 levels. So almost 600 points. So this month, yes, at least it should go till the month has started close to 15,000 levels. So the high which I had shared is at around 15,375, and once it passes by these levels, we can expect it to rise further. So till the time it might remain in this zone, and we might see trading for this level at around 14,900 to 15,200 for a little more time now. So this is what we can expect, but let's couple our observation with the indicators. So if you look at the indicators here, see the simple moving average. See, Tech 100 is trading in the upper zone of the Bollinger Bands, and the next support is at around 15,000 levels, and the next below that it is the moving average 20 should provide it a good support at 14,950 levels. But looking at the RON, the RON is still little bearish, but however more or less neutral. The average true range is almost at the bottom, and the detended price oscillator is still bullish. Look at the MACD. The MACD is still trading in a red zone and still indicating a sell from here. The candles are consistently red, but we can see the MACD volume candles are consistently red, but here on the daily charts we can see that it is consistently going green. Look at the RSI. The RSI is comfortable and is at a neutral position. Also look at the weekly charts. The weekly candle has also taken a shape, and we have already seen that it is trading at the top of the Bollinger Bands, neutral comfortable level. So the stochastic is at overbought position, trading in overbought position. May little cool down is required. On the daily chart also it is in overbought position. That is what I had said, that it is now at overbought position, may try to drop a little, and then from there we could see a rise. That is what we could expect. So now let me give you the levels for this. For the week I expect 14,950 to 15,210. This is what I expect Nifty Nasdaq 100 to trade in, and I think 15,210 should provide at a good resistance for any upward move. In between, right now at 15,100, again I will say 15,120 should be a good number for any indication for any upward move, and should be a good indication for sell off below 1520. Should be the stop loss for you if you are long, and if you are short, 15,120 is going to be the stop loss also. So after 15,120 you can expect 15,180 and 210, and below 1500 120 you can expect it to head towards 15,000 and 14,950 levels. So very narrow range, only 250 points, but yes, matters a lot in these days with things moving in a random direction. But yes, any break below 14,900 I will be indicating that you can go short and you can enjoy your profits towards 14,880. I will say this is something you can definitely try to do, and above 15,210 sky is the limit. You can remain long, and we could expect 15,375 also. So any levels, if it breaks, you can take your position accordingly. Below 15,120 you can still be short for a target of 15,050 15,000 levels, and after 15,120 you can expect 15,210 and 15,375 levels. But I expect Dow Tech 100 to trade between 14,950 to 15,210 for this week. Now let's look at Dow Jones. But those who are new to the channel definitely can subscribe, and you can also watch my daily videos. These are the weekly predictions, but daily videos are definitely helpful, which I share just maybe an hour before the market opens, which gives you good direction to trade for the day. So yes, you can subscribe the channel. That will be of definitely supporting to you. Now look at this daily chart for Dow Jones. Here it has got some resistance, but at the same time, which I was trying to show you here, is Now this is the daily chart. On daily chart I can see some wedge formation. I can see some, let me draw you more. So for the week again I will be expecting that the high is done maybe 35 to 50, and then if it continues a drop from here, it is going to be a big drop towards 34,700 and 34,800. You can take 34,800 levels, and but if it breaks past by 35 to 50, you can directly expect it to lend towards 35,550 levels. So this is what it appears on the daily chart. And if you look closely on the weekly charts, see on the weekly charts, this analysis I had shared in my monthly analysis also on the weekly charts. Now look at this. From here it has formed higher highs and lower lows this week, and any break above now 35 to 50 is something which is seen. After this maybe 35,300, and on the downside also we will be having a good break towards 34,700 levels, 600 levels. So this is something, if it tries to remain in this ascending triangle, if it tries to trade in this ascending triangle, then we definitely can expect a little drop. Once again let me try to form. So this is what is something. Any breakout now after this 34 to 80 levels, 35 to 80 levels, definitely it is going to pass by 35,500. It is going to hit 35,550, and at the same time if it drops below this level at 35,000, we can expect it to head towards 34,600 levels or so. So this is on the daily chart. Also I am going to show you, because the first this is the monthly candle. If it goes past by 35 to 80, definitely 35,550 is on the way. And if you look at the monthly candle also, I had shared earlier. So possibly here 34,550 is something can be expected this month. So this is on the monthly chart. And if you now let's look at the indicators. Look at the indicators on the daily chart. The moving average 20 is sitting right there at around 34,900 levels, and on the same time we could get some resistance there at 35,000 for any downward move. It is bullish, the R1 is bullish, the other indicators including the stochastic is bullish. There is a crossover which is about to happen on the MACD line, that is also I am going to watch keenly, and that is where I had shared. Now let me write down the levels. Coming to the levels directly, looking at this 35 to 80, I will be watchful of. Any break above 35 to 80, you can directly expect it to head towards 35,550. This is going to be a big target, but yes, this is what I will expect if it breaks past 35 to 80. Any break below 35,120, you can expect 34,900 and then 34,700 levels. So this is what I can say, that now between 120 and 280 you can be still little cautious. However, yes, right now it is at 15 to 35 200 levels, and just 80 points from now if it passes by, you can directly remain long, and we can expect 35,550 levels. At the same time, it should find some support at 35,120 and 35,000 levels for any downward move. So after 35,120 we can expect 35,000 and 34,900 levels, and for the week we could expect a bigger range between 35,000 to 35 to 80, and then 35,500 levels also is possible in between somewhere. Yes, you can expect that 35,360 and 35,440 also to give a little resistance for any upward move. So these two numbers you can expect, and then you can expect it to directly head towards 35,550 levels in the coming days. So this is all for Tech 100 and Dow Jones. Don't forget to reach out to me and join the Telegram channel. The links are mentioned in the description. And don't forget to subscribe because the daily videos before market open definitely help us to decide the next or trading decisions for the day, help in deciding which way to trade. So thank you very much. Have a great and profitable trading week ahead.